Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In this presentation, we will discuss the DTC P0496, which stands for Evaporative Emission Control System, High Purge Flow Detected. This diagnostic trouble code indicates an anomaly in the vehicle's EVAP system, where the purge flow is higher than expected. In vehicles like the Honda Civic from 2016 to 2021, the EVAP system is designed to prevent fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere and ensure proper fuel delivery. Essential components include the EVAP canister and the purge valve, located in the engine compartment. The controller monitors the system's performance, and any deviation, such as high purge flow, triggers the DTC. Throughout this troubleshooting guide, we will explore the potential causes, symptoms, and necessary steps to resolve the issue effectively. The error code P0496 is tied to the Evaporative Emission Control (EVAP) system, which plays a crucial role in maintaining fuel vapor integrity in Honda Civics manufactured between 2016 and 2021. This system's primary function is to capture and store fuel vapors from the fuel tank, preventing them from being released into the atmosphere. Located in the engine compartment, the key components involved include the EVAP canister, which stores these vapors, and the purge valve, which regulates their flow back into the engine for combustion. This diagnostic trouble code indicates that the purge flow detected is beyond the normal range, which can hinder the vehicle's emissions performance. The malfunction can sometimes be associated with physical defects in the purge valve or blockages in the system, leading to incorrect readings by the Engine Control Module, ECM. Identifying and rectifying these faults is essential for maintaining both vehicle performance and compliance with emission standards. Several potential causes can trigger the DTC P0496, predominantly involving malfunctions within the EVAP system components. Firstly, the EVAP canister purge valve itself may be faulty or stuck in an open position, allowing excessive flow of vapors. Secondly, the presence of debris can obstruct the valve or the vacuum lines, leading to inaccurate readings and high purge flow. Additionally, an issue with the non-return valve can also contribute, potentially preventing proper closure and allowing fuel vapors to escape when they shouldn't. These faulty components not only affect the emissions system, but can also impact vehicle performance by creating imbalances in the air-fuel mixture. Thus, a thorough examination of these parts is vital in diagnosing and fixing the issue associated with the DTC P0496. Understanding the symptoms that accompany DTC P0496 can significantly assist in early diagnosis. One of the most prevalent indicators is the illumination of the check engine light, signaling that the vehicle needs attention. Furthermore, drivers may notice a decrease in fuel efficiency, as the purging of fuel vapors may not be occurring optimally, causing excess fuel consumption. In addition, if the vehicle undergoes an emissions test, it may fail due to the high purge flow detected, leading to non-compliance with environmental regulations. These symptoms can affect both vehicle performance and regulatory compliance, making it essential to address the underlying issue promptly. Awareness of these symptoms can encourage timely maintenance actions and prevent more significant problems down the line. In troubleshooting DTC P0496, the first step involves verifying the problem. Start by turning the vehicle's ignition to the on position, ensuring that the system is powered and ready for diagnostics. Next, utilize the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, to clear the existing DTC from the vehicle's memory. This step is crucial as it allows for a fresh start to observe any recurring issues. Following that, navigate to the inspection menu and select the EVAP test function within the HDS. This function will allow you to perform a diagnostic test that assesses the performance of the EVAP system. If the results indicate an OK response, it suggests an intermittent failure, meaning the issue may not be present at that moment. Therefore, check the EVAP canister purge valve for any debris or sticking conditions, which could lead to intermittent issues. If the test is unsuccessful and the failure reproduces, proceed to Step 2 of the troubleshooting process. Step 2 of troubleshooting DTC P0496 entails checking the EVAP canister purge valve for proper function. Begin by carefully removing the purge valve from its position while keeping connectors and hoses attached for easier inspection. Next, disconnect the vacuum hose, also known as the purge line, from the valve. In its place, connect a T-fitting, a vacuum gauge, and a vacuum pump that can measure up to 0 to 30 inches of mercury, as recommended. This setup allows you to test the valve effectively. Apply a vacuum of approximately 2 kilopascal, translating to about 0.6 inch Hg or 15 millimeters Hg, to the purge valve during the test. Observing the gauge for any dropping vacuum is critical. If it holds the vacuum steadily, the valve is likely functioning correctly, prompting a move to the next step. Conversely, if the vacuum fails to hold, it indicates that the purge valve is faulty and requires replacement. This step is significant as it isolates the potential fault source that may lead to the high purge flow condition. The final troubleshooting step focuses on the non-return valve, which plays an essential role in the EVAP system's functionality. After assessing the purge valve, turn your attention to the non-return valve. Visually inspect it for any signs of damage or malfunction. A properly functioning non-return valve should prevent backflow in the system, thereby ensuring that fuel vapors are processed correctly. If the valve is found to be in proper working condition, the next step requires replacing the EVAP canister vent shut valve, as it could be the source of the high purge flow detection. However, if the non-return valve is deemed faulty, immediate replacement of the EVAP canister purge valve is necessary to restore proper system operation. This step underscores the importance of every component in the EVAP system, as even a small defect can have significant ramifications for emissions control. After completing the necessary repairs for DTC P0496, conducting a final verification is imperative. Start by rechecking for any present DTC using the HDS, ensuring that the previously logged error has been cleared from the system. This step confirms that the repairs were successful and no new codes have emerged. Additionally, ensure that both the EVAP canister purge valve and non-return valve are operating correctly. This can be done by performing further functionality tests on each of these components, validating their operational integrity. Finally, take the vehicle for a test drive under conditions similar to those that would have previously triggered the DTC. Observe any anomalies in vehicle performance or the functioning of the EVAP system during this test drive. Successful completion of this process indicates that the issue has been thoroughly resolved and the vehicle is functioning correctly. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P0496 and maintain optimal vehicle performance, regular preventive maintenance is essential. Begin by proactively inspecting the EVAP system components regularly, focusing on the purge valve and non-return valve for any signs of wear or buildup that can lead to issues. Maintaining clean vapor pathways is crucial. Therefore, consider replacing any filters or hoses that may restrict flow or become clogged over time. Routine system checks can help identify potential problems before they escalate into significant malfunctions. Incorporating periodic inspections in your vehicle maintenance schedule can foster a healthy EVAP system, ensuring compliance with emission standards and promoting efficient fuel consumption. By adopting these preventive measures, you can enhance the longevity of your vehicle's emission system and reduce the chances of triggering DTC P0496 in the future. In conclusion, effectively handling DTC P0496 requires a thorough understanding of the EVAP system and its components. Monitoring the health of this system ensures that fuel vapors are adequately managed, which not only assists in fuel efficiency, but also helps adhere to emission regulations. Recognizing and promptly addressing any symptoms associated with this code, such as decreased fuel efficiency and the check engine light, can lead to timely repairs and prevent more costly fixes in the future. Following the structured troubleshooting steps provides a systematic approach to pinpointing and rectifying the underlying issues, ensuring that each component is functioning correctly. Ultimately, maintaining an eye on the EVAP system not only preserves the vehicle's performance, but also promotes environmental sustainability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.